Well, I've seen this so many times now and I thought I'd actually escaped, but it appears not, courtesy of my old mucker here, Mr. Adam Jenkins. It's kind of happened now, so without further ado,
after 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
oh,
Oh, fuck it! Whoa! Oh, oh, dear. Oh, we're gonna nominate 3 more people.
oh. Well, before I have a heart attack, the ladies seem to be getting off lightly on this one, so I nominate our singer Helen Ruby Young. I nominate my lovely partner Susan Wall, and I nominate a very lovely workmate, Beverly Jones. That should make very 3 interesting ice bucket challenges.
Well done, Tom. Good man. Right, we'll get you set.